Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready because today we're whisking you away to one of the most exciting cities on the planet, Tokyo. From its neon-drenched skyline to its peaceful temples and gardens, Tokyo's a city that truly has something for everyone. And the best part? It's incredibly family-friendly. So buckle up as we take you on a whirlwind tour of Tokyo in 4 days, packed with fun, food and unforgettable experiences that the whole family will love. We've got a jam-packed itinerary that's going to make you want to book those plane tickets immediately. Our Tokyo adventure begins in Asakusa, a historic district that's like taking a step back in time. First up, the iconic Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest temple. The kids will love watching the giant incense burner where people waft smoke for good luck. Give it a go, you know I did. Next, we're strolling down Nakami Street, a shopper's paradise with traditional crafts and treats galore. Don't forget to grab some delicious melon pan, a sweet melon-shaped bread. Trust me, it's as delicious as it sounds. And the best part about Asakusa? It's incredibly easy to navigate, even with kids in tow. So soak up the atmosphere, snap some photos, and let's move on to our next adventure. Alright, all this sightseeing is making me hungry. So let's head to the Tsukuji Outer Market, a food lover's dream come true. Now, even if you're not a morning person, trust me, this place is worth getting up for. From the freshest sushi and seafood to steaming bowls of ramen and mouth-watering yakitori, your taste buds are in for a treat. And don't worry, picky eaters, there are plenty of kid-friendly options too. Think fluffy Japanese pancakes and sweet treats galore. Just wander through the market, soak up the vibrant atmosphere, and be sure to bring your appetite. Next up, we're off to the Miraikan, also known as the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation. Now I know what you're thinking, a museum? With kids? But trust me on this one, this isn't your average museum. At Miraikan, science comes alive with interactive exhibits that will blow your mind. Kids and adults can learn about robots, space exploration, and even meet Asimo, Honda's famous humanoid robot. It's educational, it's entertaining, and it's the perfect way to spend an afternoon in Tokyo. Plus, it's air-conditioned, which is a lifesaver in the Tokyo heat. For our final day in Tokyo, we're heading to Ueno Park, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city. Now, Ueno Park has something for everyone. You can take a stroll around the picturesque Shinobazu Pond, visit the zoo, or explore one of the many museums. Speaking of the zoo, a trip to Ueno Park wouldn't be complete without saying hello to the adorable pandas. They're the stars of the show and always a big hit with the kids. And after a long day of exploring, why not rent a rowboat and enjoy a leisurely ride on the pond? It's the perfect way to end your Tokyo adventure. And there you have it, Tokyo in 4 days. I hope this family-friendly itinerary has inspired you to book your own adventure to this incredible city. From the vibrant anime culture in Akihabara, to Tokyo Disneyland, to traditional temples, Tokyo has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and inspiration. And be sure to check out our other videos for more exciting travel content from around the world. Until next time, happy travels! See you in the next adventure!